Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial. And from today onwards, I will teach you that how you can use your eyeshadow as in liner format. So let's just begin. So first, we need to take in the Kryolan ka mixing medium and the eyeshadow, the color we want to take in, and the transition shade in the shade of yellow. As you can see, you can reverse the video if you want to see the process, if you want to see the product. Now I am blending the transition shade. I have taken the yellow, lightest yellow transition shade over my eyelid with the help of big blending brush and blending it. You can see I'm trying to making it natural. Now taking the liner brush and the eyeshadow we converted into the liner, and I have taken the green eyeshadow. Mix the Kryolan ka mixing solution to convert it in liquid, and it will increase the hours of the stain. Now making a wing, connecting it. As you can see, now taking the smudge brush and the eyeshadow, the same color eyeshadow through which we made the liner, applying it. Through this, it will not transfer and give you the mattifying look. From today onwards, you will learn so many colorful liner, eyeshadow, and these type of eyeshadow, eye makeups you can use in shuttle kind of look, or the mehendi haldi for any function. If you want to make it more natural and you don't have the hooded eye, then you can use these colorful liners. Now you can see the look after lashes. Now taking the white gel kajal pencil from the brand CVB Charm Walk Beauty. It's a HD gel kajal pencil. Applying it over the lower lash line, the waterline, as you can see. Now after this, with the same color of eyeshadow through which we made the liner effect, the green one, you can see we are smudging it over the lower lash line to complete the look. See how connected it look now. Now, moving on next, applying the mascara from the brand Maybelline Colossal, applying it over the lower lashes to complete the eye look. You can see. So, here is the final look in front of you. If you love our work, then support us. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet in next tutorial. Till then, take care.